Time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
Cuban President Miguel Diaz-Canel says his government is willing to engage in dialogue with the United States administration under President Donald Trump, but only if there is no pressure. Diaz-Canel's comments come at a particularly difficult time for the island. Earlier this year, Cuba lost a vital oil supply following the capture of Venezuela's ousted president Nicolas Maduro by U.S. military forces. Since then, the U.S. has not only blocked the arrival of Venezuelan oil shipments to Cuba, but has threatened to impose tariffs on any country supplying crude oil to the Caribbean nation. The Cuban president has described these actions as energy blockade, calling them criminal, and says the country is now facing an acute fuel shortage. And Ukraine and Russia have conducted a rare exchange of prisoners of war and civilians after 2 days of U.S.-brokered peace talks in Abu Dhabi. A total of 157 Ukrainians, 7 of them civilians, and 157 Russian soldiers were returned home in the first such swap in 4 months. Russian, Ukrainian, and U.S. teams took part in the talks in the capital of the United Arab Emirates, with the main sticking points believed to be territorial concessions Ukraine is under pressure to make and security guarantees for it to prevent further Russian attacks if a deal is agreed to end the 4-year war. No breakthrough has been reported. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.
The discussions that take place behind the scenes. Oh boy.
Who's coming up?
Jermaine Brown. He's here to give us primetime sports right after this break.